Hello, everyone. My name is Justin Lacy. It is a pleasure to be in this seminar with everybody. I look forward to meeting everybody and look forward to what we're going to learn over the next couple of weeks. I'm currently the Assistant Director of Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion in Title IX at the University of Illinois System in Urbana-Champaign, Illinois. I've been here since January of 2020 and absolutely love my job. And I teach online part-time as well. In addition to teaching at UMSL, I also teach at St. Louis University and Oklahoma State University, and I've worked at both those locations. And actually, from August of 2016 to July of 2017, I actually worked at UMSL in human resources. I was a senior HR consultant and the university's Title IX coordinator for about a year. So very familiar with UMSL. I've taught several different classes at UMSL, both in person, online, several HR classes. Currently, over the last couple semesters, I've been teaching diversity management, which I absolutely love and hope to be able to continue to teach moving forward. I'm Justin. It's a pleasure to meet everyone, and I hope to get to know everybody very well. So see you in class. Thanks.